Hello students, welcome to Vedantu Karnataka. So I have come here to answer major two questions that I have been getting from past few days. So first question banbitu cutoff ಬಗ್ಗೆ. Ma'am, what will be the cutoff for KCET 2025? Now students, see, we cannot predict the cutoff until we finish all the counseling. But let me tell you that you can actually approximate your cutoff by looking at your KCET 2024 cutoff. Okay. So NEET tarane plus or minus 100 change ಆಗ್ಬೋದು because ಈ ಟೈಮ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 100 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 100 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 50 ಆ ಥರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ನೋ ದಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಪುಟಿಂಗ್ ಯೋರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಇನ್ 20,000 ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ಐ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಆಪ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ 1,000. Okay, so ಆ ಥರ you will be able to understand that which college you might get a chance, okay, to take computer science or any other branches that you want, and most of you want computer science or AI. So you have to go through the last year. So if you type KCET 2024 cutoff, you will get an entire PDF of the cutoff. ಅದು ವೇದಾಂತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಲು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದಾನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಚೆಕಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಟ್ which kind of colleges that you can enter for option entry. Second thing, when you are looking at the KCET documents, you will notice that you need to give the application form, your initial application that you entered, no, that application you have to carry as your document. So where will you find the application form? I know many of you lost your application form, many of you are not able to find where you kept it, where the PDF was saved. So ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ. that is students, ಇವಾಗ this is the website ಅಲ್ವಾ, KEA website. If you go to admissions and if you click on UGCET, you will be able to see the first link talking about UGC 2025 application print link. So for those students who missed your application and not able to find the application, let me tell you, this is the link that you have to click. Ee link click madamele you have to enter your register number, password, and then using OTP or face you will be able to log in, and then you can download the application form, keep it as a PDF, save it as a PDF and keep, and during your document submitting time you can use this PDF. Okay, so do not worry if you have lost your application form. They have provided a link for all of you. I know many of you are still waiting for option entry and all of that. Let's hope that it will come by end of this month or starting of July. Okay, we can expect during this time, so don't worry. But before choosing or thinking of your options, I want all of you to go through the cutoff. I do not want you to have wrong cutoff and entering wrong options, because if a college is offering computer science in 1,000 or let's say 5,000 and you are at 40,000 or 50,000, you cannot opt for that college. So please be mindful when you select the colleges. Only you can do that by looking at the 2024 entire cutoff. Okay, so I hope this information was helpful, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ channel na, and ಬೇಗ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, and also like this video. If you are new to the channel, please do not forget to subscribe and support this Karnataka channel. Thank you so much students. See you all next time.